Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can find recently watched video on Facebook. But before you start watching the video, please don't forget to put your like and also write comments and subscribe to the channel. So friends, let's get started. And I'm going to show you two methods. How can you do this? Please open the Facebook app on your device. Now go to the video section. Then at the top, click on your profile. And here you can find an option called History. And you'll need to click on that. And you'll see your entire video history. If you don't have that option, unfortunately, like me, then go down the bottom right-hand side to the menu section. And then click on the gear at the top. Next, scroll through the settings and find the activity log. Click on it. Now the activity history. And then you'll need to, when this page loads, you'll need to select other options, which is to click on Filters, Categories, and then your Facebook activity, Posts. Then select your Posts, Photos, and Video section. And this way you will see, friends, the entire history of video views on Facebook. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.